Hello, I am Jayesh Pithadia, Managing Director of my group companies, Flow Ink and Coatings Private Limited, it's a manufacturing unit, Krishna Tadewal Private Limited, Kinetic Metallica Private Limited and Star Impex. Where at the time of taking education, I find a job in the printing ink manufacturing company based in Vatwa in Ahmedabad. To get more knowledge, what I have done is, after leaving that job of printing ink, I have gone to the packaging industry as a manager in a packaging company, where I have learned that how this printing ink is being applied to the substrate. What is the technology of the packaging machines which produces the films where the inks is to be applied. So I have taken a 1 year knowledge of that company too in Ahmedabad, and then I have decided, with the cooperation and support of my customers base, started my own company in 1988 in the name of Flow Ink Enterprises. Started with 2 more companies where we are importing some certain material which is being used and consumed in our factory, as well as we are marketing the same product in the Indian market. That is Star Impex and Kinetic Metallica Private Limited. Kinetic Metallica Private Limited is our new venture. Just recently, last year, we have started this company, which is manufacturing in metal drums for packaging and paint and lacquer industries. As far as our product is concerned, printing ink, looking to the international competition of multinational companies in the export market, we have to focus on our laboratories where we can test our product before supply it to the customers. To cope up with this, we have focused keenly on our laboratory development and establishment. During the tenure of these 25 years of business, at different stages we achieved different awards in our companies. First award we got it in 2004, All India Business Community Foundation Award, which was for our project which we have successfully completed as far as aluminum industry is concerned. Then in 2005 we got an Udyog Bharati Award. In 2006 we got again All India Business Excellence Award for our great achievement in export. In 2014, we got Quality Mark Trust Award for our quality products in printing ink. After my business, I started in 1988. I got married in 1990 with Kiran. My wife is from Indore. I have 2 children. One is Twinkle and one is Lakshang, my son. My mother in my family, my father, I just lost him before 10 years back. My mother is still with me and she is very strong. I am getting inspiration from her every day. With her blessings, I am successful in my business. That's what I feel. What I feel basically, the success of my company is hardworking, focus, dedication, principle and discipline. Anybody in the business, if they want to get success, these principles are needed, because these are the pillars of the success.